Hi everyone, this is Vivek. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mirror your Android screen on your PC. So for this, first of all, open your browser and simply search SCRCPY download, and then you will find this URL from GitHub in the second result. Simply click on this, and now if you scroll down, you can see the option to download it for Windows. So simply scroll till here, till this link get the app, and now click on Windows. After this, you can download a suitable version for yourself. If your PC is 64-bit, then you can option in for this first, and if your PC is 32-bit, you can option in for second. And if you are not sure which bit PC you have, then you can simply check by clicking on these properties in your Windows. So you can simply check it from the system. Here you can see system type 64-bit operating system. Now click on this, and then it will be downloaded in few seconds. As it is a zip file, we have to extract it. Simply click on the files, and now we will double click on it to extract. Okay, we are not going to buy. I have already tried this, so you can see the existing folder, and it is causing some sort of issues. Okay, now after extracting this folder, you can see a folder named like this. Now simply open this folder and go inside this and open terminal in this directory. You can simply select this path and type cmd to open terminal in current directory. And now you can simply type scrcpy to mirror the Android screen. Before that, make sure that your device is connected with a USB cable and you have enabled developer option. So if you don't know how to enable developer options, then I will quickly show you. Simply go to settings, scroll down and go to about phone, and then click on software information and tap on build number for few times, and you will see the developer options in your phone. After this, simply search for developer option or developer setting. Okay, sorry, it's a developer options. Now you have to turn it on, and if you scroll down, you can see the option for USB debugging. Make sure that it is also turned on. So I'm using a third-party software to display this, but now I'm showing how you can and mirror your Android screen without this software. Okay, so if you are interested to know about this software, then this software name is Visor, and you can simply download it from visor.io. So let me close this for now. And now if you run this command strcpy right here, then you can simply see your Android screen like you see. So here you can see a DB device found by USB, and this is my device name. Okay, so this might be some code, and here is my device name. So here we have our Android screen without using any softwares. So guys, how's this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.